Minister Modi is going to be addressing the nation at 6 p.m. Big breaking news coming in at the moment. That's the latest coming in. The Prime Minister Modi is going to be addressing the nation at 6 p.m. today. We will be getting you more details on what this address is going to be about, but that's the tweet that has just been put out by Prime Minister Modi saying that he's going to be addressing his fellow citizens at 6 p.m. in the evening. Paulami Saha, who is breaking the story first here on India Today now, joins us for the very latest. Paulami, what are your sources in the BJP telling you? What is this address at 6 p.m. going to be all about?
Well, Chetty, we do not know exactly the context of this message. The Prime Minister, in fact, has just tweeted in Hindi and English where he basically said, we'll be sharing a message with my fellow citizens at 6 p.m. this evening. Obviously, there's a lot of anticipation. This is an address to the nation by the Prime Minister after a very, very long time. The last time he spoke, I remember and recall correctly, it was about, of course, extending the Pradhan Mantri Anna Yojana, which is basically about extending, the free grains program, which had been initiated in the wake of the pandemic for migrant laborers. And it had been extended. The Prime Minister announced that he would be extending all the way up to November till the Chhath Puja. So this is going to be extremely crucial because this is an address which is coming after a very, very long time from the Prime Minister. And obviously we are seeing, cases of COVID rising in the country as well in terms of the number of active cases as well as deaths as well. So that is becoming a very serious situation. And given that the festive season is on us, we're seeing large crowds gathering in various parts of the country in order to celebrate the Navratras and then, of course, the festival of the Dussehra, which will be held on the 25th of October. So there could be a very crucial message in there from the Prime Minister. Obviously, it will not, involve any sort of a policy announcement per se is how I would see, because the Model Code of Conduct is on right now as far as the Bihar elections are concerned, but there could be a message in there for the citizenry as far as keeping themselves safe in this season is concerned.
And so that's how you are reading it. Also, Paulami, if you could just throw some light on the timing of this address, 6 p.m. He usually addressed the nation at 8 p.m. Today he's announced that he's going to be addressing the nation at 6 p.m.
That's right. It has actually, fluctuated a bit during the pandemic. It has been at different timings as well. 6 p.m. is when he will be addressing this evening. He said that he will be speaking to his fellow citizens. So this is, like I said, it's coming after a long gap, this address by the Prime Minister. So it is going to be extremely critical and extremely crucial, given that, we, like I said, as far as the COVID situation is concerned, it is still very alarming. There is a spike in the numbers. It's still not as to what could be, the situation and how is India responding to the gravity of the situation as it continues to grow and concern us. So a word from the Prime Minister is going to be extremely critical.
Yes, Paulami, a word from the Prime Minister indeed is going to be extremely critical.